the state government, the government of Karnataka, led by Congress, always it is in a political motive. What they are supposed to do, they don't do. In the state of Karnataka, what they have been misusing, diverting the SCP fund and TSP fund, they just want to cover up the entire issue. They want to divert. Entire diversion of the issue, as per the act, what act they are brought in, they are not abiding by that. They have diverted the SCP fund, TSP fund to the guarantee scheme. So they have got no answer. Since they don't have any answer, they just try to divert the attention. They're just trying to politicize. They've been caught in a wrong foot. They've got no answer. They are just have been not able to answer. So they are trying to divert the attention. One. With regard to the work property, Wakaf, the state government, time and again, what do you mean by work? What do you mean by work? It is a property which has been donated by the Muslim people. It is not acquiring government land, taking away the government land, encroaching the government land, not encroaching somebody's private land. So in this direction, a law wherein the Waqf having all the powers, legislative, administrative power, judicial power, with one body. How can you expect justice? So keeping this in mind, they wanted to address, make it a accountable, transparent, more progressive. The government of India is coming out with a new amendment, new Waqf bill. So probably which they can't digest. So what they are doing all this time is been completely exposed. They are getting exposed thoroughly. So they want to pass a resolution with regard to the Waqf bill, with regard to the SC subplan, with regard to the ST subplan. Government of India is doing its duty. Let the state government, what it has committed, let them discharge their duty. They don't need the state government advice how it has to be governed, what it has to be done. They have got their member of parliament. The member of parliament, they can speak. Can't they speak in parliament? Those are the politics what they are trying to do with regard to the UGC. As per the constitution, it's a concurrent subject. It's a concurrent subject. All this time, all the governments have been abiding by the UGC regulation. Now, we are seeing a state government who is not going to abide by the UGC regulation.